Have you ever felt overwhelmed when every new season arrives and your home suddenly feels dusty, cluttered, heavy, and impossible to manage? You look around and think, where do I even start? What if I told you there is a secret way to handle seasonal cleaning without stress, without spending days scrubbing, and without losing your energy? Today, I'm revealing the ultimate effortless seasonal cleaning strategy that will completely change how you clean your home. Forever. Ready to discover it? Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss life-changing home hacks like this. Understanding the truth about seasonal cleaning. Most people think seasonal cleaning means doing everything in one exhausting day. Scrubbing floors, emptying closets, washing curtains, deep cleaning appliances, and reorganizing every corner. That's why it feels painful, stressful, and mentally draining. But the real secret is this. Seasonal cleaning becomes effortless when you break it into simple zones, short bursts of work, and smart habits instead of marathon cleaning sessions. When you understand this mindset shift, cleaning stops being torture and becomes calm, organized, and almost satisfying. Step 1. The power of strategic planning. Seasonal cleaning is not about speed. It's about planning. Before touching anything, walk through your home and observe. Which areas feel the heaviest? Is it your kitchen full of forgotten containers, your bedroom with stuffed closets, or your living room layered with dust? Make a simple list with 3 sections: must clean, should clean, and bonus clean. This removes mental chaos and gives you clarity. When your brain feels organized, your cleaning becomes 10 times easier. No panic, no confusion, just direction. Step 2. The 10-minute rule that changes everything. Here's the real magic. Never start with huge tasks. Start with 10 minutes only. Pick one area, set a timer, and work only for 10 minutes. No pressure to finish everything. You'll be amazed how much gets done. Your brain doesn't feel exhausted, your body doesn't feel overwhelmed, and yet progress happens fast. Step 3. Declutter before you clean. Most people make a big mistake. They start cleaning before decluttering. That's why cleaning feels harder. Dusting around useless items and wiping surfaces buried under stuff wastes time and energy. Instead, pick up a bag and follow one rule. Keep, donate, or trash. If you haven't used something in a year, it's not part of your life anymore. Step 4. Create powerful cleaning zones. Divide your home into simple cleaning zones: kitchen, bedrooms, living area, bathroom, and storage areas. Rather than cleaning everything at once, conquer one zone at a time. When you focus on a single area, your energy stays strong, your mind stays calm, and your cleaning results look professionally done. Step 5. The smart cleaning order professionals follow. To make cleaning feel effortless, always clean from top to bottom and inside to outside. This means start with ceilings, fans, shelves, then move to furniture, then finally floors. Why? Because dust falls downward. Step 6. Let your cleaning tools do the work. Another powerful secret: the right tools make cleaning effortless. Microfiber cloths trap dust better than regular cloths. A good vacuum removes deep dirt without scrubbing. Step 7. Turn cleaning into a positive experience. Seasonal cleaning doesn't have to feel miserable. Play your favorite music, light a candle, open your windows for fresh air, or reward yourself after each completed zone. When emotional energy feels positive, physical work feels lighter. Step 8. Maintain. Instead of restarting, the biggest secret of effortless seasonal cleaning is consistency. Once your seasonal cleaning is done, maintain it with tiny habits. Wipe surfaces regularly. Don't let clutter grow again. Refresh your rooms weekly, and do mini resets. When you maintain, seasonal cleaning never becomes a burden again. It becomes simple, quick, and stress-free. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss powerful home hacks like this. Share this with someone who also needs an easier way to clean. Thanks for watching, and get ready to enjoy a fresher, brighter, stress-free home.